at the end of the day, what makes me smile the most when it comes to my students is just them being them. You know, we have so many little jokes and just moments that are, you know, extracurricular, if you will. You know, it's outside of the classroom. It could be in the hallway, the cafeteria, on the way to the buses. You know, they're hanging out the bus window waving goodbye to me. They're walking up the street waving, and it's given me the opportunity to see who they are outside of this classroom and outside of, you know, the reading and writing experience. Teaching in general is my favorite thing to do. I've wanted to teach since I was like 2 or 3 years old. I don't know many 2 or 3-year-olds who have a life plan like that. I can remember going to kindergarten and just falling in love. My kindergarten teacher was Miss Cutshaw at Tucker Capps Elementary School. I'm a Hampton City Schools baby, so I went to Tucker Capps Eaton and I graduated from Bethel. So I've just had this great educational experience, and it's just very easy for me to kind of stay in that line, and it was just always the plan, and here I am.